Welcome to another edition of Summer Saturday Cartoons. I thought we would take a look at the frog. Frogs are really cool. They have interesting shapes. They come in all kinds of different colors. They can look like they're smiling. They can look like they've got attitude. It's a fun thing to draw and pretty simple, really. And of course, they have inspired some pretty famous cartoon renditions of frogs. Grab a piece of paper, a pencil, and a pen, and let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is draw a horizontal oval. It can be as big as you want the belly of the frog to be. It does not have to be perfect. And then we're gonna make an oval with a slightly pointed tip. This is gonna be the head. My frog is gonna be looking slightly up. And then we're gonna move to the back to work on a leg. This is gonna be a skinny oval, but we want it thick enough to add a line in the middle later. And with these shapes, you want to keep them kind of light. I'm doing it a little darker so that you can see. Another oval for the back leg. We don't have to go all the way down because we're not going to see all of it. And then one oval going in a downward direction for the front leg. And then where its joint is, we're going to change angles with another oval. So these are the basic shapes for my body, head, and legs. But let's not forget its big bug eyes. So we're gonna draw 2 circles on the head. The top one is just gonna be a bump, and it's the one on the other side that we can't see, and the bottom one will be an eye that we can see. Now I wanna connect the shapes because we're not a series of shapes, we actually are connected by tissue. So I'm darkening the line and filling in that tissue that connects them. So I did the top of the neck and then underneath as well. And then just filling out my lines. And on that back leg, I'm going to bring a line that's a little bit off center so that this frog looks like he's ready to jump. And then filling in the rest of my oval. And then I want to bring 2 lines coming down that are going to connect to a foot. So for the feet, we're gonna draw 4 toes, I guess we'll call them, which are just 4 series of 2 lines coming down. And then they're gonna have circles around the bottom. Once we complete our toes, we want to be sure that we go back and add some webbing so that our frog can swim really well. And for the eyes, I'm adding a little oval in the middle and then filling it in. And then for the mouth, I'm just adding a line, kind of following the shape of the face and stopping right under the eye. That is the shape of my frog. Now I'm going to go over this with pen. And that's the outline of my frog, and don't forget to add some color. It doesn't have to be green, but I went pretty traditional on this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Chelsea Young with the Mulberry Cultural Center. Have a great Saturday.